So we are turning our ugly interior of a car, taking all this off and all putting a nice, finally good steering wheel from this. Just kidding, just kidding. I didn't turn my car into a unicorn. I ain't that dumb. But anyways, what we are doing here is we are gonna be trying to clean this off. I haven't really figured out how to clean this off efficiently. I really don't know. I'm gonna have to ask how to get rid of this auction stuff because this car was salvage title and I had to fix it and the airbags were blown on it. But we are wrapping this entire steering wheel because I can't afford a custom one, and none of you people who are selling out custom steering wheels wanted to give it out for me for free. Unfortunately, they're always like affiliate only and you'll get like 10% off the original. So no, I want free stuff. I mean, I know it's kind of greedy, but I am a influencer, so I do make companies money. I make companies money like J&K Beef Jerky and Truck Parking Club, which are not a sponsor of today's video, so whatever. But I'm just saying I can make companies money. But anyways, we're slowly and surely transforming today's interior. We're getting a new steering wheel cover on, and we're gonna get this emblem put on right now. It's still in the mail. It didn't come yet. Hopefully it comes. Hopefully it's not a scam. Might have to issue it with eBay. And we're also getting this cover on, and for the steering wheel we're getting this cover on. So we're removing all the ugly chrome and getting full black carbon fiber on. It is very, very hot outside today. It's like 93, 95 degrees in South Carolina, so I'm gonna be sweating my butt off to install the steering wheel cover by Steering Cover. So today's sponsor is Steering Cover, so go in the link in the description. I have some discount codes possibly in the description for you to check out, for you to buy steering cover for your Infiniti Q50, Q60, or your other car if you can't afford a custom steering wheel and like to keep your original steering wheel and also want to keep but you also want to have like a different car cover on it. I highly recommend it. Also, I did remove the black wrap on my chrome over here and my rain guards because they were getting ghetto, so I'm gonna have to remove that. I'm planning on possibly sanding down this all the way and having it wrapped in carbon fiber, or honestly, if I just sand this down all the way, it's still gonna look like carbon fiber-ish. So I just gotta, you know, peel it off, take it off completely, and once I peel it off, take it off completely, it should look like almost like brand new. After a long, very sweaty day, I have finished the steering wheel. So it ain't the best, by no means. I didn't do the best job. I'm not an expert of it. There's some areas like this that's a rough patch, it's loose a little bit. But that's okay. I could deal with it. So, got the red top center for racing, carbon fiber bottom and top, and Alcantara sides. So, we got that squared away. Now we got to figure out a way to remove all that. But I sewed every single one of these individually. I had to sew it. As you can see, stitching. So many stitches I had to go do. Then I had to tuck it all underneath of here. Had to tuck it all in. That's right. Your boy Eddie V had to tuck every single one of these suckers in. Come over here, folks, quickly. Come over here. Officially finished. Carbon fiber interior. Still got to buy an R vinyl trim in the future. But we got carbon fiber shift knob. Yes, that's carbon fiber. Got to buff that out a little, but it's good. Carbon fiber here. And we got carbon fiber here. Unfortunately, I had to glue all this because the double-sided tape that they provided absolutely didn't work. But it looks cool. I mean, just some carbon fiber left of here, but other than that, this looks cool. Still got to figure out how to take this off. Now, the reason why I wanted to have a steering wheel at this given time that I stitched myself instead of buying a whole new steering wheel is, first of all, it's cheaper. Way cheaper. Second of all, they sponsoring today's video, so I got it for free. Third of all, I could still use the function of, we go to menu and we go to climate actually, and we can have steering wheel heating if I wanted to. On the custom steering wheels, I don't know if you can have steering wheel heating at all. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. That being said, the only thing I need to add to this car is I need to remove this monstrosity. Carbon fiber dash all the way, Tesla screen, and Nissan GTR bucket seats for both the driver and the passenger that are fully carbon. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2004 Jerry Light. This particular package driving attempt on the 6 Series.